Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know, I'm Glambygilly from Instagram, and today we'll be creating this beautiful deep blue smoky eye. I did do the step-by-step for my complexion on my Instagram, so make sure you check that out. It's Glambygilly. And I'll just take you guys along with me and show you my tips and tricks. I did use a couple different palettes to get this look. I am wearing this outfit that I got from Ejaaz Couture, so I'll tag them below. I'm not wearing it right now because I'm just at home, but I'll get fully dressed after I do my hair and I'll post those pictures on Instagram. So thank you guys, and if you guys wanna learn this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, before we get started, I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in 50WY. I just like priming my eyes. You can use any concealer, any like eyeshadow primer. The MAC Paint Pot is really good, and Soft Ochre as well. I love using that on my clients. So I'm just going to prime my eyes. I already filled in my eyebrows as well and highlighted my brow bone. So I don't really need to take the concealer too high up because it already has product, but just gonna blend this out. And I do like doing my eyes first when I'm doing a smoky because I do tend to have a lot of fallout sometimes. After blending out the concealer, I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in 2. You can use any powder that you'd like, but I like using this one. I just lightly set the concealer. Today we'll be using the Smashbox Your Story is Written in the Stars palette. It is a face and eyeshadow palette. I love the colors. I want to do more of a pink and blue smoky eye. I'm going to use the brown contour color first in my eyes. And I'm just going to blend it. I'm going to buff it out. So if you guys have seen my previous videos, you know I buff out my eyeshadow, especially the crease color, as much as I can. I have a lot of space between my eyebrows and eyes, so I like having a lot of color and a good transition. I don't like it just stopping and then there's nothing on the top. I want everything seamless and blended. So the color we are using is called Comment Me Bro. So what I'll do, instead of showing the colors on the screen, I'll just let you know the names as I'm working with them. I'm just gonna blend this out. If you don't want to use this eyeshadow palette, you can use any of these colors in any other palettes. I just wanted to play with this today. Next, I'm also going to use the blush colors in here in my crease. The colors I'll be using are Carbon, Poppy, and Peach Planet. They are blush colors, but you can use whatever pinkish tones that you'd like. I'm just going to mix both of the colors and then apply it under the previous crease shade. So today I am, guys, filming in my bedroom. This is my bed right here. Just because I am the full-time caregiver for my grandma. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, she does have dementia, and it's hard for me to film in my studio because then I can't hear anything. At least this way I can hear her. My mom is home downstairs, but still, like, she always calls out for my name, so it's just easier for me. And I've been doing my Instagram lives and stuff in my bedroom as well, so I just didn't want to take my light downstairs. And natural light I love shooting with. I feel like you guys can actually see like what's really happening. When I am blending out my eyeshadow, I do buff and flick it outwards and upwards because I do like how it makes my eye shape look. So I am wearing this beautiful outfit today, guys, by Ejaaz Couture. It is stunning, and it does have like embroidery at the top. It's like pinks, blues, red tones. I will be smoking out my eye with a red, like a bluish tone. I just want the crease to be fully blended. When I am doing a smoky eye, I make sure I take the colors to the inner corners of my eyes as well. So guys, what I'm going to do next is apply the blue shade that I want to work with. So I have like a flatter brush. It's a little fluffier. You can use a smaller one as well. I'll probably go in with the small one after. And I'm going to apply the blue shade, so it's very blue. And I'm just going to apply it to the center of my eye, and you can tell that there's so much pigment in this palette. So I'm just applying it, just packing it on my lid. So don't worry about blending out the crease, we will do that. Just want to pack on the color first. So you're just going to pack it on both eyes, and then we'll do the blending after. Instead of wiping on my eye, I'm pushing it in instead of wiping, because when you wipe, I feel like the pigment does get a little lost. So I'm taking it all the way to my natural crease, and then we can blend with the darker shade. Now taking a smaller brush, I'm just going to make sure there's enough pigment by my lash line. Okay guys, so after I've applied the blue pigment, we can always go in with another eyeshadow palette after if we want the blue more. I might decide that after. I'm going to use Astropub and Combust a Movie. So one is a really pink shade and one is a brown shade, very similar to the one we applied to our crease, but a little more brown. So I'll use a brown shade first. I'm just going to blend out above where we applied the blue. So you just want to make sure there's no harsh lines, because right now it's very harsh. It's not blended, does not look clean, and you still want it to look very seamless. So this will help blend out whatever you applied and blend it into the crease shade. And now I do feel like it's not like blue enough, so I'm going to go in to another palette. So I was thinking of using the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, the Electric Obsessions, and going in with the very shimmery blue shade. I feel like it'll give the pop that my eye needs. All I'm going to do is use the same color I used to apply the blue from the Smashbox palette, and I'm just going to lightly pack this on my eye. It'll give it a slight shimmer and pop that I feel like my eye was missing, because the blue that we did apply was very, I felt like, more on the subtle side. And you know, if you've tried the Huda Beauty palettes, they have great pigment. The Electric palette is bright colors. So once I'm happy with the blue pigment, so do you guys see how I have more of a pop now? I just made sure I took it to my inner corners of my eye. I kind of did like a half moon. I kind of left the ending because I do want to maybe blend out like more of like a brown black shade to smoke out the end of it. So when I do start makeup, guys, like I'll have a look in mind and then I kind of just go with like how I'm feeling and what's working out. So I'm going into the dark brown shade, the eyeshadow shade, and a little bit of the black. And the thing is, with eyeshadow you do have to like dust off because there's so much fallout, especially with the Smashbox palette. I do feel like there's more fallout than I like, because you do see like I have so much under my eyes, and that's why I don't like doing my base first. I know a lot of people love doing their base first, but it just doesn't really work out well for me because maybe I just don't work clean on myself. So I'm just pushing in and packing in this color at the ends. And then I'll use a different brush to just buff it out. You can always like wipe off this brush that you're using on a napkin. I always have a napkin on hand, but I'm just buffing this out and then always blending upwards because I'm going to take my eyeliner in that direction as well. So I just feel like everything looks more blended. And then I just blend out any harsh lines with the colors that we used in our crease. You can use the brown. I'm using the really pink blush tone right now in the palette. I'll add all the names like below here because it's so hard going through, flipping over the palette and knowing the colors, and clearly I suck at pronouncing them. And then just make sure everything's blended and nice and clean. You can always clean out the bottom. I just use a makeup wipe or like micellar water. And now I'm happy with how the eyes look. They do look a little crazy right now, but that will get better as we apply eyeliner and lashes. I want really full lashes today too because I'm going for a dramatic look. But before we do that, I'm just going to take the highlighter shade in the Smashbox palette and just put it in my tear duct right here. Same with the other side. I honestly just like using highlighter, so I'll go in with the Becca Champagne Pop. I love this highlighter, guys. It's great. If you want something cheaper, the ColourPop Flexitarian is amazing as well if you want the blinding Instagram highlight. I like using that in my tear duct as well. Anything I put in the inner corner, I'll highlight my brow bone with. So we'll be using the Huda Beauty Life Liner for eyeliner, for inside my eye, for the waterline, and for the outsides. So I'm not going to actually give a detailed tutorial on how I do my eyeliner. You guys can just, maybe I'll do another video on it, but let me just quickly do that. Okay guys, so I finished my eyeliner on the top, and I'm just going to do my waterline. And I do like connecting it, so I am going to connect it to the eyeliner. I did my eyeliner very thick, very dark. It's just the look I wanted to go for today. Oh my god, you guys see all the fallout. I'm happy with it here. And what I will do is when I'm done my concealer and my base, I will shadow it out here. So I'm gonna go finish my complexion, and then we can come back and I can apply my lashes and all that with you guys. So, okay guys, I went ahead and finished my base. I just have to do highlight and blush on my lips now. But if you guys do want to know how I did my base and the step-by-step, just go to my Instagram. It is Glambygilly, so check that out. You can see a couple other videos, my looks and stuff. I do post daily, so check that out. So I did actually end up applying the lashes as well. I put on Pink Orchid Studio Trophy Wife. You guys know I love these lashes. Yeah, what I think I want to do now is, like, I want it more smoky at the bottom. So I'm just going to take the Huda Beauty, the pencil side of it. And what I will do is I'm going to just buff in or like smudge in a line, working very slowly underneath my waterline. So I did already apply this color in my waterline, but now I just want to smudge it underneath. So this will give you the smoky effect. And then you don't have to go in with like too much black. I do have baking powder underneath my eyes just for the fallout because I am going to put in shadow again. I like using the same shades that I have in my crease under my eyes as well, just to make everything look blended and seamless. That is the goal. With eyeshadow, if you just blend well, guys, you can use so many different colors, easy to use. So taking the Morphe 432 brush, I am just going to blend out the black liner that I put underneath. I just want to smudge this out. I did apply it very clean. You can apply it a little lower so it has more of a dramatic effect, but I'm happy with how it is, and I am going to go in with the blue colors we used earlier. So next I'm going to use the same very blue glittery shade from Huda Beauty. And I'm going to apply that. I'm just going to push that in wherever I applied the black. Very slightly, I'm just pushing it into my eye. There you go. Now taking another like small blending brush. This is the Anastasia one. I'm going to use that very deep blue color from the Smashbox palette. And I'm just going to push that in as well. So I'm not really swiping, I'm just kind of like pushing upwards into the eye, and this will help with the pigment staying, and then you won't have too much fallout. Then I'm going to take a blending brush going into the pink and brown shades that we applied in the crease, and I'm just going to blend it all together. So I'm applying this right underneath the darker shades. It just allows everything to be gradient. You want the same effect that you had on the top of the eye at the bottom. And since my concealer and stuff is done, it will just blend on top of the products that I already have. And let's say I wanted it darker, I would just use the same Morphe brush, the 432 brush. I'm gonna dab into the black and dab into the brown, and then dust off the excess and just push this right under my lash line. So now I will dust off the bake. I'm going to apply my highlighter, apply my blush, and my lipstick, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished my base and my face. I am wearing Huda Beauty Demi Matte in Shio and Trendsetter lip liner, and then I put on the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Sand in the middle because I love like the ombre lip. The last part of my eye is applying mascara to my bottom lashes. You can apply bottom lashes as well, but I'm not going to do that for this look. I'm just lazy because we have nowhere to go. We're all stuck at home and I just wanted to do something different today. And I just put on makeup. But here is the mascara I'll be using. It's the Bambi Eye Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. And I love it. It does wonders to my lashes. I'm just going to apply it to the bottom. So once I'm happy with it, there you go. It looks good. I love the eyes. Very smoky, very dark. And if you guys want to see the outfit and the entire look, it's on my Instagram, so make sure you guys check that out. And I just want to thank you guys for watching this video and following along. I hope if you guys do recreate this look, tag me in your videos, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. I would love to repost it on my stories. And let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel, because I'm trying to get more active with YouTube. So I want to thank you guys for your patience, for those people that are subscribed. So let me know what you want to see next, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, make sure you're staying home and make sure you're staying safe.